All right, y'all. Operation Tamarind. Success. Look at that.
Hello everybody, I'm BodineVictoria. Welcome to my kitchen, and this week I can show y'all how to prepare your tamarind for the recipes we putting down for Tamarind Week during my Fresh Summer series. So you want to start with taking your tamarind, you're going to boil it, and then you're going to strain it a little bit. Now let me tell you something, tamarind is one of them fruits that gets thicker as you boil it. So you want to boil it to release some of the natural sugar. So this is the second boil. I took some out and I put it to the side. This is the second boil. So you can see that the longer you boil it, the thicker it's going to get. And guess what? I am straining this and I'm going to put those tamarind pods back in the pot because on the third boil, I could boil that and use that for like lemonade. But what you want to do is you want to strain them out. Make sure you strain it good so you don't get no pod pieces, and stick it inside the mason jar. Your tamarind should be nice and thick and ready for the recipes for the week. And guess what? It literally is just 2 ingredients. Don't mind everything on the table. All you need is your pound of tamarind and at least 5 cups of water. And this week we're making homemade spicy tamarind barbecue sauce, also some grilled tamarind barbecue pork chops, and finally some tamarind situation cocktail. So these are what's coming to the YouTube channel, but I got some more on the Instagram page, so follow BodinePot Show on Instagram. And also don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And when you make your tamarind dish, don't let any and everybody dig up in your pot. I can see y'all later.